All right, so we got a triangle that has an area of 15 square inches. The height is 6 inches. What is the base of the triangle? Go ahead and give this a try. It's been a while since we've done one of these. It's working backwards with an area problem. Mason? 5's correct. All right, so we got a triangle. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. That gives us our area then. Okay? What we're doing basically, we're trying to find the base. So we're still trying to find that B. Height is 6. We got divided by 2, and we know the area is 15. So we're basically going backwards. And I've said before, in math, if we're going backwards, what we're going to do is we're going to do the opposite. So we start with our 15. 15 divided by 2 is, well, the opposite of divided by 2 is, multiplying by 2. So 15 times 2, 30. Then we got times 6, opposite of times 6, dividing by 6. 30 divided by 6, 5. That's it. I don't know if you'll have something like that on your check-in. You could, though. It's just working backwards. You could also try trial and error and just kind of plug in numbers with the area formula. The big thing with the triangles is don't leave out the divided by 2 part. Okay? All right, Alice is 52 inches tall. Beatrice is 125 centimeters tall. Who is taller? Alexandra? Alice is taller. Usually that's the other part of the question is by how much. She said by 5 centimeters. That would be correct. So what you need to do is you need to change one of their heights. Okay? What I would recommend on a type of problem like this is looking at the answer choices. Because like I said, it usually says who is taller and by how much. If you look at the answer choices and all of them say centimeters, what you need to do is you need to change the inches. We need to make that centimeters. If all of the answer choices say inches, we would need to change the centimeters, right? So let's just go with changing the inches. We got our scale. 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters. And if we're changing the inches, that means that goes on top. So we got 52 inches. We cross multiply, we divide, and it was 130, right? So we get 130. Then it's just a matter of which one's more, right? 130 is more than 125. That makes Alice taller. We subtract to get the by how much. If it asks for that part, that would give you 5. If it was the other way around, if we were looking for the inches, we'd still have our same scale. The scale doesn't change anything. The only difference is we'd want to change, whoops, not a point. We'd want to change the Beatrice one. So 125 times 1 divided by 2.5. That would make Beatrice 50 inches tall, So Alice is still taller. That shouldn't change either way, right? Alice is taller, and in this case it'd be by 2 inches. Okay? Any questions? All right, try another one. Al weighs 187 pounds, Bo weighs 90 kilograms. Who is heavier? Judah? No. Jacob? Work Bo by 11 pounds. If you did your 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds, there's our scale. If he got the pounds, that means he was changing the kilograms. So we'd have Bo's weight, the 90 kilograms. So 90 times 2.2 divided by 1 would give us 198 pounds. That makes Bo more by 11 pounds. If you went the other way, still same exact scale. The only difference is this time we're using Al's 187 pounds. And when we do that one, 187 times 1 divided by 2.2, that makes Al 85 kilograms. So if we went by kilograms, Bo's still heavier by 5 kilograms. Okay? Any questions? Probably going to see something where you got to compare 2 different things. Just use the scale, make sure things match up. You got to make things the same to compare them.